How to activate your Care credit card online. This tutorial shows you how to complete the activation process through your browser. First, open any web browser on your PC. After that, click on the search bar and type in www.carecredit.com/mastercard and press enter. From there, wait for the page to load and you'll be taken to the Care credit card activation section. At this point, look for the Activate Now button on the left side of the page and click on it. In the next step, you'll be taken to the activation page where you'll need to scroll down a little to see the form. Following this, enter your Care Credit account number in the first field provided. Once done, enter your 3-digit security code in the next box. From here, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number in the field provided. At this stage, enter your date of birth by filling in your month, day, and year in the respective fields. After this, double check all the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the Activate Now button, and you'll receive a notification confirming that your Care credit card has been successfully activated. And that's it. If this guide helped you activate your Care credit card online, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.